Well, it looks like it's another Monday. Good morning, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. What's up? Welcome to It's Just a Restart of Life Monday. Dramatic pause. All right. That worked out pretty good the last time, but swap cameras. I don't know if you'll be able to know or not. Most of you guys know I carry two phones. I have a Pixel 2 XL, which is most time I do the filming on. It has a better camera. But the video that I did a couple Sundays ago, it was showing corrupt. So I don't know if there's something. I run a beta on it. The new. I need to see if there's some updates. So this is the iPhone 10 taking the video today. Even though I don't like the iPhone 10, too small. When you start to get into an advanced stage, I laugh. My mother goes, "Oh, you'll need readers. You'll do this." I'm like, I've got 20/15 vision. I buy it perfect. I'm like one of the few people in my family who doesn't wear glasses, and oh my God, either my arms are not long enough or there's not enough light because I can't see small words. I need, like cartoons, super stretch arms. Oh well. And then when you get it so far away, then you still can't see it anyway, so it's kind of a catch-22. So what am I up to this morning? I got to shoot a sales video. I'll do that when I get back. I am currently on my way to, where is this? Fayetteville, Tennessee. There's an online auction here, and I'm taking I don't know if I mentioned it, I'm taking a bunch of stuff for the next couple months to be sold online at an online auction. You can see a bunch of junk back there. Not the hand truck. The hand truck, man, that thing's worth its weight in gold. But the whole back end, there's a Home Depot box right there. That's stuff to take on the list. So I'm going to, when I open the tailgate, I either take a picture or I'll shoot a little bit of video to show you all the stuff that's going back there. So everybody who was so concerned about that crazy pile of junk that I have back there at the house, we're getting rid of it. Sometimes you can either donate, you can find other ways to liquidate. At this point, it's not about making money. It's about getting rid of. It's about maybe recovering a little bit of cost. Probably most of my cost, because as you guys know, we don't pay a lot for stuff. I mean, you buy a lot of bulk. The per piece items don't cost you a lot. So it's a nasty, dark, overcast day. Fall is trying to rear its ugly head early. I think the high today is like 78. Chance of rain is 10%, but the chance of seeing the sun is probably none. It rained all day yesterday, raining tomorrow and the next day. So after I do this, I gotta stop at Walmart. I gave up Diet Coke. I still hadn't drunk any. That's sweet tea. Oops. At a grocery store. So I've given up Diet Coke, but there's something, whatever that drink is. I was told to try LaCroix. I haven't tried it yet. Sparkling ice. Not bad. So I need to stop at Walmart and pick up some more. I've noticed, they tell you carbonated beverages, drinks like that don't satisfy your thirst. I was drinking 6 to 8 Diet Cokes a day, and I was always having to go to the bathroom. That's the sound that that's the oops. That's the good radar. You gotta watch out for that sound. The radar detector, each radar band makes different sounds, and there's one when it goes off. It's always a cop. So that was that sound. So I need to stop and get some of those drinks because you just don't drink as much. So I don't. Hey, that's one good thing is as much driving as I do, you don't have to stop for the bathroom as much. If you don't drink as much, that's awesome. I know y'all, it's too much information. Y'all don't care. But then we will. I'll get back. I'll shoot this whole video. Sales weren't awesome or anything. They were just sort of bad. and then I'm gonna list the rest of the day. I've been terrible about listing all weekend. I haven't listed anything. I did list what did I list? About 30 items this weekend, and then Jacob listed his. So we got some stuff listed, but I really need to. I'm gonna push hard this week so we can. Also found some items, and that's why I brought the Home Depot box. I found some. That's a whole box full of Amazon stuff, and really, really expensive Amazon stuff that I paid $5 for, and sell them for 40, and I've got 9 or 10 of them. So that stuff's got to go in. So I'm also gonna do my shipping. I've got, as of this minute, I've got 22 to ship. I've got an Amazon order to do. Got a video to shoot. My goal is to list 30 today. So we'll see what happens. See you at the auction. Alright. And the dual player, that's an Emerson going our way. Got some CB radios, some shoes, some printer, just big stuff I don't want to deal with. I'm testing those filters. The toaster I bought that I was going to keep. I think I paid $2 for that. Computer, just a bunch of randomness. So yeah. Alright, sorry, a little red face, a little warm out here. They turn on some AC. So that was the stuff that was in the van, and then I showed you I spread it out on an 8-foot table. Harlan has 2 tables. I'm using his. He's not doing this for a couple months. That's why I'm doing this. He has but that one there, they have 2 locations. One is much smaller than the other one, so I was able to use the underneath and the top to get everything on one longer table than the other one. So he said the space was at a premium at this place. So I told him I think I can get it in one, and so he's able to let somebody else use the other one. So that's cool. I'll let you know what happens. I'll update the results of all that stuff, how much it sells for. So it comes Monday. It won't sell this Thursday, but the following Thursday is when the auction ends. I have some stuff in the when it ends this Thursday, just not nearly as much. I haven't tracked it, or I look like Santa Claus with all this redness. That's terrible, ain't it? Not as much, but I have some stuff in that one. Hey, since we're in Fayetteville, y'all want to go to Goodwill? Bueller. All right. Okay, we'll vote. Want to go to Goodwill? All opposed? All right, cool. I like y'all's attitude. See you in a little while.
Open my eyes, leave it all behind. So open your mind and realize that your beautiful world could take my life. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster. Please just let me breathe. The air is leaving and I'm lost in need of you. we fell in love and promised we'd never separate. But it seems the time has come that you run my life with no hope to fight, and no time to hide. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster. Please just let me breathe. The air is leaving and I'm lost in need of you again. You break me down and you make me surrender. We are
Alright, so right in the middle of making this video, I had an order on Amazon. I need to go with pop culture. Kiki, do you love me? Kiki, get your ass in the bag. There we go. That's all I know about pop culture. Well, I'll try to give everybody a recap of today. Started off this morning, got up at 6. Picked out a bunch of stuff to take to the online auction, which you saw. Came home, did my shipping. I had 22 to ship. Got 20 of them out. Still have 2 more to go. And then I wasted some time. Cooked dinner and came out here and did some listing. So you can't work every minute of the day. It absolutely drives me nuts. I got 11 items listed. Some pretty good ones. Those golf sandals, I listed them for 40. A hot dog cooker I listed for 18. A Sunbeam hot water heater I listed for a 19. A CD player for 19. Video game for 18. Listed that printer that whoever, I have forgotten who left the comment how much the printer was worth. I listed the printer for $274.95 with shipping, plus shipping. So the Who Knew game from this weekend, I listed it for $19.95, and then I found a couple of things of ink. They're $21.95 each. They have different expiration dates, even though well, technically it's not an expiration date; it's a manufacturer's warranty date. They're both expired, but they should still pull $20. And a phone system, an AT&T phone system that I picked up last weekend. I listed it for $29.95. It tested out fine. It was the one that was on the desk in one of the videos here lately. I have gotten the other one listed as well, the Bluetooth one. So hopefully we'll sell one of them shortly. But just wanted to give you guys a recap on what I've done. Tomorrow, I'm going to do the show. Then there's 2 estate sales before lunch, and then I'll come home, do the shipping, and then listing again. So lots to look forward to. Living the dream, right? All right. Do the YouTube stuff. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. Hey, those words of wisdom. Roll Tide.